Hazrat Abu Umama radiyallahu anhu states, while Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sitting in the masjid and we were sitting in his company, a man all of a sudden came and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have done something which deserves prescribed punishment, so you may inflict prescribed punishment on me. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam remained silent. He again submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have done something which merits prescribed punishment, so you may award me prescribed punishment. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam remained silent. Meanwhile, the people got ready to perform prayer. When the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had performed the prayer, Hazrat Abu Umama radiyallahu anhu says, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got free, that man followed him, and I as well went after Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam to see what reply he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would make to that man. He met Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle, I have done something which merits prescribed punishment, so you may award me the prescribed punishment. Hazrat Abu Umama radiyallahu anhu says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, tell me whether you did not perform ablution nicely when you left your house. He submitted, why not, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, then did you perform prayer with us? He submitted, yes, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, undoubtedly Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has deprived your prescribed punishment. Or he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has pardoned your prescribed punishment. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6938.